Hello guys! Welcome to the Make It Simple YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss a tutorial how to enhance an image using a great tool called Nightmare AI. Without further ado, here's the tutorial. As you can see, here I have a cat image with very low resolution. Now to enhance it, open your browser, go to Google search, then type and search for Nightmare AI. Select this first website. Then you are required to log into your GitHub account first, before you can use this service. So log in first, or if you don't have a GitHub account, you can also register for free. After logging in, now you are able to use this service. Upload your image here. Set the scale number to maximum. You can also activate the Face Enhance option if needed. Then tap Run. No need to wait long. Your image has now been successfully improved in resolution and quality. Now, click Download to save it to the gallery. And this is a picture of my cat, before and after improvements, with the Enhance feature in Nightmare AI. Okay guys? That's all the tutorial in this video. I hope it's useful. And thank you for watching.